don't really have like numbers that are easier to divide and multiplication tables or anything. We just find which we just try to we just do like we do in division and try to get rid of one of the like things that we're trying to divide by one by one.
Wait,
so that we can
let me
at least
just inhale this. So essentially, x squared plus 1, right? To get x seventh plus 1, you'd have to do x to the 5th, right?
just
And then
you just
since x to the 5th multiplied by x squared is minus x to the 7th, you'll put that under the x to the 7th, and what you get when you do x to the 5th times 1 is x to the 5th. You'll subtract that from 1. Okay. Let me just take a screenshot of this.
wait.
Okay.
You're just looking at division from a different angle and trying to see how many times this can be multiplied to get this.
Yeah, it's somewhat long division.
Right. Essentially like this, if you want to multiply, so that you could probably, most people would do this with mental math, but if you want to do 100 divided by 10, instead you could do 100 divided by 20 to get 5, then multiply it by the times 2 you put on the 10 to get 10. Essentially it.
So what are you doing in each step in the subtraction?
You're trying to
finding
out part of the division statement.
Why are you subtracting a multiple? What does it mean to subtract a multiple?
You're trying to find out what makes what. So what you're doing? So when you
keep on subtracting until you get that number.
Yeah, it's like if you subtract multiples, you're subtracting that many times. Like for example, if you subtracted here, you would say you could say you subtracted 1 time if you only subtracted that. But when you subtracted the multiple, you actually subtracted x to the 5th power times. That's how many times you subtract.
Okay.
Yeah. So
the idea basically here is you have that whole number. You try to see how many of that other number makes that other whole number. So when you multiply, you're trying to you have this much times of this number makes up that much of that number. So then you can subtract, because then you don't have you already know that how you already have that part done. You basically subtract because you have that part done, and then you go on to the other part, subtract because you have that done, and until you have the whole answer.
Yeah, because like if you have a number like 100, you can divide it by 10 and you'll get 10. But then you can keep on dividing until you get one solid number. So that's basically what you're doing. Because since it's a polynomial, you're gonna have to subtract by the highest you can go, right? Here you can do x to the 5th, so you'll have to subtract that to get the leftover so that you can keep on going down until there's 0.
Great. So I'll give you a small problem.
Right?
Work it out. Yeah. Divide this and see what you get.
was a division problem, right?
Yeah,
Okay, then I
I'm
got
done. Me be done. Wait a minute. X squared minus. Avi, can you put what you got in the chat to me privately? I don't want someone else cheating.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna.
You guys got something?
Yeah,
What
Yeah.
do you get?
I got x squared minus x plus 1.
That's
I
it.
got x squared minus x squared minus x.
Yeah, see here. Into x square plus x cube plus x square, right? You're subtracting. So you get minus x square plus 1.
Yeah.
So you do minus x. So you get minus x square minus x. But that's a minus. So this becomes a 0 plus x plus 1. So you take a plus 1.
Wait. I think I forgot to do something. So when I did it, right, it seems you have two operations there, right? Like minus and then minus. So when you need to okay, fine. So like when you got x cubed and x squared, right? You have to subtract
Oh,
that like no matter what, right? And then wait. Right? After you subtract that, you get negative x squared plus 1. And since that's negative, you have to have a negative number to multiply by x plus 1 to get that. So since you got negative x, you would have to subtract again. So it would be plus. All right?
Correct.
I feel a little confused.
And by the way, right? I think something got me confused along the way. When you multiply by that variable, does the second term have to be the same? Because
I didn't get your question. When you multiply the variable, what do you mean by second term have to be the same?
like you have x and 1 and then negative x squared and then 1. Because if you multiply negative x by x plus 1, you'd get negative x squared minus x.
Correct.
So minus x and 1 aren't the same, but then you have to keep going. So essentially, what the number that you are looking for has to have the first term.
Yeah, why are you trying to? Why are
equal to
trying
them.
to? Yeah, that's a very good question which you're asking, Abhi. Why are you trying to match only the first term?
I don't get it.
It's a variable.
He asked a very good question. He asked, see, your x square is matching with x square, but the x is not matching 1, right?
Yeah.
He's asking why are you? Does the second term have to match the second term of the above expression?
I
You have to
mean,
have a match
sometimes
here as well. He's asking you have to have a match here as well.
but then it can't happen all the time.
Exactly. But my question is, why are you trying to have a match in the first term?
Because you can get rid of that part.
Unknown.
When you're
Why
dividing,
get rid of
you're
x
trying
square
to
and not 1? That's a good question. So then why are you getting rid of x square and not 1?
okay, so it's kind of like the point in factorization. You can't take everything at once. It's just a huge load of things. So what you do is you do wait.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So you have this giant number and you're trying to see how much of this number makes up this number. You don't have to do this whole thing at first. What you can do is you can see how much of this number makes up this number and then this number and then this number and
yeah. So you're trying to knock off the big guy first, right?
yeah, knock off the big boys and then everything it becomes easier.
Abhi, does it make sense?
Yeah, you start with knocking off the big numbers, in this case x cubed. And so I did the x cubed plus x squared and all of that jazz. And then once those are gone, you just need to knock off the smaller numbers. And this time it worked out nice and well and there was no remainder, so it was very simple. But if we didn't knock off this bigger number, we get into this weird situation that's like x cubed minus x plus whatever. And so we don't want to do that. So
we would over scramble our brains.
Okay. Let me give you an easy
I
problem.
think I get it.
Let me give you an easy problem now.
Because I just didn't pay attention to where I have to subtract.
It's not exactly easy.
Where?
It could be a little tricky. Yeah, can you do this division?
A plus b into a cubed plus cubed. Yeah, it's a little tricky, but not.
Wait, can't we just do this in a. Don't we already know the identity for this?
Wait a
Okay,
minute.
so
I'm gonna
divide and check if the identity agrees with your answer.
The
Okay.
identity will decide whether the answer is right or not. Wait. A cubed plus B cubed equals A plus B into. Wait. Technically speaking, dude, I was talking.
Wait.
Technically speaking, since when you're doing A plus B into something and that makes A cubed plus B cubed, would A squared plus B squared minus AB be the answer?
But divide and check if you're getting the same or not.
Oh, okay.
Minus is A squared.
Okay, got the answer, but I may be wrong.
Yeah, I think I got it too. I just have to do the last one. Multiplied by B squared. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah. I got A squared minus AB plus B squared. In like the exact order.
I just got A squared plus B squared minus AB.
Oh, I don't know. I did it in like the order, so
At first I did A squared plus
maybe
B
you got a different order.
At first I did A squared plus B squared,
What
then
you
I
did?
did A squared plus B squared
Yeah.
minus B.
Yeah, I kind of got it. 'Cause first one was A cubed minus BA squared, and then minus A squared B plus AB squared, and then minus AB squared
B
minus
squared
B
at the
cubed.
same time. I did that kind of weird thing. It was kind
Yeah.
of like times A squared plus B squared. So it would be the one in A squared plus B squared minus AB times. In the multiplication, I put like parentheses out of the A squared plus B squared around the A squared plus B squared. That's what I multiplied.
Alright.
it.
Yeah, I watched a video on this like a week ago on Khan Academy, but I didn't go into
The
depth, but
identity tells me I am correct.
Oh my
The
god.
Yeah.
identity has
that was pretty
decided
simple.
I have been proven worthy.
Okay,
Alright,
Now-
give us like a hard one.
this I'll give you another easy one and then we'll do a hard one. Let's see if you can do it in 1 minute.
Alright, that's
Oh, sorry.
I so they like
Wait a
saying
minute. Wait.
shut up.
Wait.
Wait, 3 terms?
This is oddly suspicious.
I see it's trying to trick our brain.
Okay, fine. multiplied by A.
Wait a minute. That's odd.
Multiplied by minus BA plus BA plus 2AB plus B squared multiplied by 2B multiplied by 2B minus 2BQ. Hold up. Minus 2B squared plus 2B squared. 3B squared. What? A plus 2B. You what? A multiplied by 0. I'm confused. Okay.
I'm getting there. I tried the identity way for a second, but then it turns out that was no.
I got you. So far, I got to 3.
Wait, I'm kind of confused. I'm still doing it, but it's minus B squared plus BA. Two AB plus B squared. To 2B minus 2 minus 2 plus 2B squared. Okay.
I don't think there's an answer. I got a remainder of minus AB.
Yeah, I just erased everything. I'm starting again.
This is a hard one. Okay, I think we need. I think
Yeah.
we should.
That's 3 terms, so I'm kind of
we
getting
work
confused.
together on this one.
What?
What?
I want my privacy.
What you want to get your extra credit for like?
No, I just want privacy.
Why don't we work together though? Then we could get this problem. Fine. It can be lonely.
I think, yeah, my answer is A plus B. Wait.
Hey, we need to hear your answer. Write it in the chat to the teacher if you want.
Okay, so does your answer match with the identity?
I couldn't even get to the answer.
Wait, I I took notes last class, but I don't see an identity like that. I know A plus
There
B into
is.
plus AB.
This is a cubed minus b cubed, I think. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. A cubed minus b.
No,
No.
it is equal.
No, it's
A
not.
cubed
It's not.
minus
It's not.
B cubed is A
A
minus B.
minus b. This is a
This is
cubed
A minus
plus
B.
b
This is
cubed,
A
I think.
squared
Where is
plus
it?
AB plus B squared divided by A minus B. A cubed minus B cubed
Yeah.
is A
Wait.
minus B into A squared plus AB plus B squared.
Yeah, I don't see this. Well, let me look for it. Hold on.
It's not there. You'll never find it. You'll never reach the truth.
I will never
Yeah,
reach.
I can't.
Just say that.
Yeah, I can't find it.
You will never reach the truth or sign.
Yo, what? Wait, hold up. What's a cubed minus b cubed? Let me.
What I got was
Wait, hold up. I wrote two answers for this. Wait, a cubed minus b cubed is a plus b.
dude. You know, I think there's a reminder here. I got
No,
A
this is.
I got A plus B remainder minus AB.
A cubed plus b
Yeah,
cubed.
problem is like, so I think we need to get rid of the
Yes,
AB
the-
first.
Yeah, there's no identity of this form.
Wait. What's a cubed minus b cubed again? I think I wrote something wrong on my sheet.
They're like similar identities, but nothing for exactly this, right? But there are a lot of identities that are like similar. I guess we could alter those. You guys know that IXL math?
Did you get 3b square?
I
Yeah,
got
and then I
minus
didn't. I just didn't know what to do after that.
At
I
some
got
point,
minus
paused
AB.
over there.
Wait a minute.
I didn't even get the answer. It was too hard. I was just going on, and then I just didn't get it in time, and then you showed the answer, and I'm like,
Yeah, I didn't know what to do after that. Was it just
That's
just
it.
that?
That's it. Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
Try this.
wait. What's a cubed minus b cubed again? I have to write it properly in my sheet.
Sorry.
Yeah, I made like a paper for identities here. So,
Yeah.
what's a cubed minus b cubed? I think I wrote something
A
wrong
minus b
because
into
I
a
have two
square.
of them.
You divide and see, you'll get the identity. Divide and see,
Okay. Yeah.
A minus. Wait, did we do this?
did we do? No, we did it with addition.
Okay.
Now there's subtraction signs.
Identity. I hope you will deem me correct. Now we'll start.
You're begging the identity for help.
No. Lies.
A cubed plus b cubed. Okay.
Is
I'll
it
start.
black?
Squared. All right, I got it.
I lost my.
Okay. Yeah, never mind. I think I wrote it right. I don't know what happened there.
Minus b cubed plus a cubed.
That's path to getting it.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, so that means I wrote it correct. Yeah. Okay.
I'm getting there.
Let me see.
Yeah, I finished. All right.
You guys do that like I excel every day. It's so hard. You did it in school once, and it was amazing. It was just hilarious. Yeah, I really don't know how you're gonna get the answer to this problem. How do you know when there's like a remainder and you should stop? That's like a question I have.
I got wrong, so I'm gonna get help from the identity.
Oh, I think I'm getting this a little bit. Try this again.
Yes, I've arrived at the correct answer with the help of the identity.
Give me a second. Can you give me a second? Like I think I can get the answer like right here. So yeah.
Ah, darn it.
What's up, buddy?
No, just
Huh?
you're just doing problems.
Okay.
I got the answer after traveling through the vast oceans,
Of the identities.
every mountain. We even went into space, Star Wars, whatever they are. And after all my searchings around the world, I finally arrived at the answer.
The identity.
Minus b squared plus ab.
Dude, it's plus b squared.
It still works. See, if I do a squared first, I'm going to get the a cubed, which gets rid of that. And I also get a minus, I don't know, mine worked. A squared minus b squared plus ab.
Maybe you think it works, but it doesn't.
Oh, but it does. So if you do, for this first one, you would get for the a squared for starters, you would get rid of the a cubed and make minus a squared b. So you'd have minus b cubed plus a squared b, right?
Is this what you guys are getting?
No.
Yeah, I got slightly different. I got a squared minus b squared plus ab.
I just got the identity thing.
See the
A
working,
squared plus b squared plus ab.
see the working here?
So you get a cubed minus a squared b. Yeah, I got that too. But yeah, I did that too. Yeah, I got that far. And then I had, so after that, you had the a squared b minus b cubed.
Why did you make it minus a squared? A cubed.
Oh, I
Why
see
can't
what
you do a cubed?
Okay, I see what I did wrong. For some reason, I thought the b was positive. Then I didn't think that the b. I didn't.
Wait, hold on a sec. Abhi, do you see why you're getting a square b there?
Mhm.
You see how you're getting a square b there, right? In second step.
I got the same idea for the answer, except for I accidentally had my b squared as negative because I don't know. I thought that I'd do that.
Control Z, control. Oh, okay.
Would it be negative b squared? Oh yeah. Because you need to make it. Wait. I'm just thinking. Yeah, okay, it would be positive b squared, so that it becomes a negative and then a negative. Yeah. A cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed.
This is going to be crazy, okay?
Isn't this like the identity?
This is the other identity. Wait.
I mean, it would
Wait.
be, but like,
Wait.
you know,
Wait.
I might know the answer.
Wait. Hold on. Wait.
This is going to be
Wait.
interesting.
This is going to be ugly. I asked the identities help. I asked the help of the identities. It's going to be very, very ugly. May the identities serve me.
The identities hate you though.
Hey.
So let's go on. I'm going to use the way of the identity because the identities know the
No.
way.
Go back to identities quickly.
Visiting a doctor tomorrow? You visiting a doctor tomorrow?
Lag. Oh no, the lag has come to kill me. This is not good. The lag army has come.
हाँ, सेट कर लिया पूरा हो गया. Yeah, you guys managed to get started?
Yeah, I'm just checking out the identity. Because I don't
That's okay. You first divide, no, then we'll check the identity.
but we are like,
This isn't the identity. You guys saw wrong. It's not the identity.
is the identity though.
No, those two. This happened last time. Those two terms are supposed to be multiplied by each other to get the identity. That and one more term has to wait. Wait a minute.
The
Hold
identity.
on. Oh man.
The identity.
Oh man. I completely.
You're thinking too. See,
Much.
I used logic to solve those math problems we couldn't solve. You need to think like that. It's not always about the brute force. It's about sometimes using logic and figuring out, yeah, we can do this instead. Except
What
for
you
this,
did was not, that was not logic, what you did.
well, I mean, it was. I mean, like, I had to think about it logically because I couldn't do it algebraically, which is still sad because I probably should have done it algebraically. But hey, we take what we can get, right?
I don't know about that. Okay.
I take what I.
Let's look. B squared plus
And this one is just 2 trying, so I just use the identity.
plus B squared. It's working out exactly like
The identity is helping.
I'm taking away bit by bit. A squared plus B squared plus C.
Guys, so I have a YouTube channel and I'm not gonna tell you its name because I don't want anyone to see it.
Okay, it's Doibra.
No, I posted like one. No, Doibra is like a legendary YouTube channel, so I didn't want to steal Doibra. I have like my own name, and I can't tell you because like it's really like cringy, so you're not allowed to know.
He's going to tell us.
Like, did you see my ultimate variable in the chat? It's ERGA, whatever. A bunch of letters.
Wait, who's that?
What?
Who's that guy? Like, you just threw a face.
I drew a face.
Pops up on Zoom meeting.
I drew a face, but then I erased it so that it didn't like distract or anything.
How
But
did you draw a face?
So if you wait, okay, don't do this because you need to focus on the problem. But if you click view options, okay, yeah, you click view options and then click annotate, and then you just hold the line.
Can you guys
Now,
work out the problem quickly, please?
what we have.
You did?
I did.
I'm still trying to.
What is the answer you got?
Well, it's the identity. A squared plus B squared plus C squared minus AB minus BC minus AC.
Okay, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, is it?
Yeah.
I'm still doing it and it's getting tough now.
Not really, because AC is way better than CA. Everyone who thinks AC is better than CA, rise up. Because it is definitively AC. I don't care what you think of CA, it is AC. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. Because AC and CA are the same thing, so I essentially got CA. I just wrote it down as AC because I felt like it. power of the identity compels you.
Okay, all of you got it?
No,
Did you get it? See here, you multiply with a square, you get a cube plus a square b. Cancel, you get minus a square b. So now you a square, and you also have a square c, so you get minus a square c. So you want to knock off a square b, so now you will try minus ab. So minus a square b minus ab square minus abc, that becomes a plus. This goes off. This becomes a plus. So you get ab square minus a square c plus b cube plus c cube minus 2abc. Does this make sense? Then I would like to knock off ab square. So I get plus ab square minus plus b cube plus b square c minus minus minus. These two go away. So I'll get a square c minus b square c plus c cube minus 2abc. Okay. So you want to
wait, that's
so you knock off ac. So a square c plus abc plus ac square.
wait, A squared C and ABC? How did you get ABC?
AB into c, right?
Yeah, but then why isn't it A squared BC?
Sorry. Yeah.
Why isn't it A squared BC?
A into AB, B into AB, and C into AB.
And
A
I
into
feel
AB,
confused.
A into AB.
Oh, it's A squared B then?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Wait, I have a question. According to the identity, it would be minus AC. Wait, why did it switch from minus AC to plus AC? In the identity, it would be minus. Why? Plus. Oh.
So you'll get this A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus AC minus BC. Okay. Now, can I say, I want to do something very different now. Can I say, okay, wait, let's do this. What is the remainder when x power 9 plus 1 is divided by x plus 1? There's an easy way to do it.
Well, I mean, you just do it times x power 8, get rid of the x
Can
power
you say that x power 9 plus 1 is x plus 1 into somebody plus remainder? dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus
remainder.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So a lot of times, because in variable math we can't use decimals. Well, I mean, we can, but it's a lot harder to use decimals.
yeah.
You don't really know what the
So
variables
now
are.
it is x plus 1 into something plus remainder, right? So what will be the degree of the remainder? What will be the highest power in the remainder? Can the remainder have an x?
The remainder can't have an x.
You'll knock off the x, right?
Yeah, so we do x
The remainder
times.
can only be a constant.
Yeah.
If I put x equal to minus 1 on this side, what will I get?
X equals to -1, you mean?
If I put x equal to minus 1, what happens to this box?
So wait, what do you mean you put x equal to -1?
On left side and right side, if I put x equal to minus 1, what happens to this box? Minus 1 plus 1?
Oh,
Zero.
-1
0 plus c. So
Wait,
0 plus c is minus 1 power 9 plus 1, correct? I put x equal to minus 1. So what does it mean? C is equal to 0. But what was c? C is the...
remainder.
So is this a very simple way to find out the remainder?
Yeah,
It's
you
saying
put,
that it is dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. And if I put minus 1, that entire box gets knocked off. It becomes a 0. So what I'm left with is just the c. Okay, let me show this to you in a simple way. Let's say I'm dividing x plus 2 with x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 5, let's say.
yeah.
One is you divide and see.
Wait, how do you get 2 plus 5? Oh, that makes sense. Never mind.
Right?
Yeah.
yeah.
So now the same thing, can I do it this way?
The remainders. Wait, I need to move the thing. X squared. 5 because x plus 2.
Into something plus the remainder c, right?
Yeah.
Now what if I put x equal to minus 2 on both sides? This whole thing becomes,
0.
and I'm only left with c.
Wait.
What is
Yeah,
minus 2 square? 4.
and then -8.
-4, 1. C is 1.
Is the top method easy or the bottom method easy?
Bottom method is easy, but I just have a question about the bottom method.
Yeah.
Wait,
Ooh.
how can we assume that x equals -2?
I mean, will the bottom equation be true only for 1x or for any x?
Bottom equation.
It's a variable, so you don't. It doesn't. The value can be anything. It's an
Exactly, right?
undefined variable.
When you write an equation, what does it mean? No matter what value of x you take, the left side fellow and the right side fellow would be
The same.
exactly. So they should be same for minus 2 also.
Yeah, but how do you know it's -2?
Sorry?
But how do you know it's -2? Like
It's
how
not
can
minus 2, it can be anything.
Uh-huh.
It's not minus 2, it can be anything. See, it holds good for any x, right?
Yeah.
If it holds good for any x, it should be holding good for 2 also, no? For minus 2 also, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Why am I
yeah,
especially interested in minus 2?
because it can.
Because then you're just doing what you do in those other equations. You're just getting rid of things so that you have C right there.
Exactly. That's true. That's true for any x. But when I put minus 2, that whole thing collapses.
Uh-huh.
You even need to find the quotient.
Do you need to Wait, you need to find the what?
Do I need to find the quotient?
No,
Why?
because you
Because
already
it can
found
be
it by using.
divided.
Because
You-
that becomes 0 anyway.
Mhm.
Okay, now let me give you a different question. Let's see if you guys can execute this method.
Yeah, but we only need to find the remainder, not the answer, right?
Yeah, only reminder.
Because the method doesn't really give the answer.
Yeah, can you find the reminder?
I feel like that's the one flaw in that method. You just don't get the answer. You need to get the remainder. It's great. That's a plus sign, right?
Yeah, plus sign.
Yeah, and then like in the middle, there's an equal sign that you just didn't write, right? I'm just making sure. So x squared plus 9x plus 7. Wait, so x plus 3 is like the dividend, and then x squared plus 9x blah 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 is the divisor.
Oh.
Bit harder than the other one.
Hey, come back. Wait. Ooh.
Find a way to completely knock off this one side.
Negative 11, I think.
Negative 11. I don't know, man. I'm going to. Oh wait, can't we just move things on one side of the equation? No, this is division. Can't do that. E equals excuse me. If we do it right, can we move from one side to another by like reversing by using their opposite? Or
I have a question. Who came up with this idea?
Which idea?
the idea to just find a remainder by just turning everything to zero on the remainder side?
I don't know, but this is called factor theorem.
That guy must be brilliant.
Exactly. And why do you think so?
I mean, it's like he can think it like that far.
Okay. I'm just searching. I'm glad you asked this question.
We're like even having trouble figuring out how to use it, and this guy creates it.
Yeah, like other people are having trouble trying to use it, and then this guy's only just. It's like in a time of some. It's like at some point he just comes up with this. It's like it's like take. It's like I don't know.
Like 5 years.
Take a bunny out of taking an entire marker out of just its cap.
So you see, it's kind of like when like the 5-year-old in you finds some really weird logic method like I did, except for that logic method is like an actual justifiable working method you can use for any problem. That's essentially what happened.
You can
Right.
think like
So there is a mathematician called Etienne Bizot,
wait, who?
French mathematician Etienne Bizot.
Jeff Bezos.
NPM Bezos.
Jeff Bezos has a brother confirmed in AT&T Bezos.
ATM Bezos?
Oh, okay. It's just pronounced like that because it's French. You know, I decided to take Spanish in like, school. So
You guys get the answer for this?
No.
What do? You write it as x plus 3
Into some blah, blah, blah.
I thought
and then what do you do?
Then you just make a negative 3.
I thought x squared plus 9x was the divisor. Excuse me. I thought x squared plus 9x was the divisor. Oh yeah, but you could.
It becomes 7, no? No, not 7, sorry. 9 minus 27 plus 7.
Wait, could I have
Minus 11, no?
Negative 11. I got negative 11.
Yeah, now divide and check if it's the correct answer or not.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah, Abhay.
Yeah, so basically, so what you did was that the x squared plus 9x plus 7 was the divisor and x plus 3 was the dividend.
Yeah.
But then you flipped it over like a fraction's reciprocal to get that different answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Abhi, just divide and check.
But wouldn't the opposite be, but wouldn't the flipped version be different than the non-flipped version?
Flipped version as in?
Like, in this problem, you flipped it because x plus 3 was the divisor. Oh.
Okay, I got negative 2 when I divided. I need to try.
Yeah, I thought that it was x squared plus 9x plus 7 was the divisor, so I was trying to use that.
Thine must get charger for a computer.
I watched Beam when I was like 3 years old or something. I don't even remember what happens.
Follow Hindi?
Huh?
Do you understand Hindi?
I don't. I did when I was 2. I understood Telugu or something.
So you saw it in Telugu.
Yeah, I never understood Hindi. Well, I guess still, yeah, but I don't understand Telugu anymore because once I came here, basically, I started going to like the school, and everyone spoke English, so I learned English. And I forgot Telugu except for a little bit. So yeah. But, yeah, I used to watch it when I was like really little. Like a baby. Anywho, so we need to use negative 11 as the remainder. And x plus 3 is the divisor, like that goes into the number. So we can just try that quickly. Negative 11 works. I just did x plus 6 and I got a remainder of negative 11.
Sure.
Yeah, I may be wrong though.
Just a question. What happened to Chinmay?
This guy went to like train and become like to ascend and have like the power of magic or something.
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here. Chill out.
He went up to training program.
To get magic powers so that he can use his magic to make the math problems just come to him.
Yeah.
That's his new plan.
Oh wait, I messed up on my calculations. My super calculations.
According to my calculation.
Correct. According to my calculations, it's negative 11.
No, according to my calculations, 20 billion plus minus 20 billion plus negative 11 plus 0 times 1 times infinity divided by infinity. But does this even make sense? Oh my god, this is like new meta. According to my calculations, it is. Wait, I need to come up with something. Okay, according to my calculations, it is 11 plus 11 plus 12 minus 11 plus 11 plus 12 in parentheses. Then you also have to add in the 32 billion minus 16 billion. 16 billion divided that new number divided by 2 minus 8 billion minus 11 plus 22. And then you need to make that the opposite of itself to get negative 11. That is how you get it.
Okay, now let me give you another question.
Can you make it like clear which one is the divisor and which one's like the dividend? So x minus 1 is the divisor. That goes into x to the 2020th power. Oh, well that's fine.
Reminder.
Wait, so the x minus 1 is the actual divisor, right? Oh, this is easy.
Wait, X. I don't get what the dividend is. X to the power of 2008. Okay, I can't.
2020 this year. I think
X to the power of 2020.
yes.
We need to do something.
Hey, I got the remainder. I'm probably like, but hey, I got it, so I got it.
Wait, he just gives a problem.
I know, but like, it's not even that hard. Maybe it is, and I'm just dumb though. I don't even know anymore.
Hey.
According to my calculations, I'm right. From now on, if you say according to your calculations, that means you're 100% sure of your answer.
What's your answer?
Oh man.
I got 8 for my answer.
E equals C. Yes, I have 8 too.
No, I was just joking. It's actually 2020 minus 2020 times 0 times 20 billion plus 20 billion times 0 minus negative 24 and then minus 16. That is the real answer, and that equals 8. So according to my calculations, I'm right. What? No, 8 equals the remainder. What do you mean with this? It's like the most big brain theory ever. Like you just find out something no one even knows. You know, I don't take French, so I just can't pronounce it. Wait, do you take French or Spanish, or do they do it differently? Are you French gang or Spanish gang? How dare you? Is Chinmay Spanish gang or French gang? Or does everyone take French in your school? We do this weird thing where you like choose and it's really weird. So if everyone takes French in your school, I won't be too surprised. Because up until like 6th grade, everyone took Spanish now.
Wait, why did he leave?
No, he just went out of the. He's still here. Oh my god. He somehow went like up and he just jumped down. Is he Superman?
I jumped down.
No, he has his math hands which spew out numbers that are really sharp, like 1 with a point on them. Then he also has his math fly where he had
Okay, guys.
out of his hands to tell him up.
So what is your answer?
8
The
equals C.
remainder is 8.
Okay. Now, do you want to do something very conceptual and tricky?
Yes.
No, we have 9 minutes left. X squared plus 1.
Sorry.
Wait.
Oh, he
What
was.
happened? Chinmay, why did you add?
Yeah.
You're confusing me.
What?
Find the reminder.
Wait, is this supposed to be conceptual?
The reminder.
Why is everyone freaking out? Am I missing something? Oh, I mean, I got the remainder already, and I feel like I'm missing something now. Guys, am I missing something?
Yes.
'Cause I thought it was pretty easy. You know, I'm too scared to say according to my calculations right now.
Your calculations are no longer. Ooh.
According to my calculations is not worth using here. This is scary. Wow, why is it? Yeah. You know, I'm either like a genius or I'm really dumb. I don't even know anymore. Probably not either though, because I don't know.
But okay, private chat to me what you got. I got something too.
Yeah, okay, I'll private chat it to you. You're Chota Beam, right? Yeah, you're Chota Beam.
Yeah, I'm Chota Beam.
I gave my answer that's probably wrong, but look. The heck? I mean, I could try. I'll try substituting your answer and see what. Yeah, does that work? What the? And what would 9 to the 2001st power be?
No, I meant.
You know, just write it. Yeah, I know. You mean? Wait. Oh God, Oh, you mean for C, right? Not for X. I got something slightly different. Okay, just slightly. Because remember, you need to add the X to the 2001 power. Remember that. You also need to factor that in.
Yeah, actually, the 2001 power is X.
I'm just gonna chat out my logic.
Here it is. Ready? X.
Okay, I wrote my logic. Now I need your logic, Chota Beam.
No, I'll not give you ultimate power. I don't deserve it yet.
Like, my logic is sound. I'm not mentally insane at all. Definitely. On Halloween, we watched this really weird.
Right. How are you guys proceeding with this?
I finished.
Oh yeah, I forgot something Abhi did. We both finished, but I got 9 and he got 10, and then I realized
It's here. It's x square minus 1 into something, and what will be the remainder? What will be the degree of the remainder?
I got the remainder is 10.
But will the
Yeah.
remainder be a constant here? What is the degree here? 2, right?
Yeah.
So what else is only a constant possible, or is something else also possible?
The variable at the end. But, I mean, I
X
just
is
got one.
possible, right? X is lesser than 2.
I have a question. Why couldn't you just put 1 here and then 1 squared equals 1 and then 1 minus 1 equals 0 and then
Yeah,
1 to the
but in the previous case, the divisor was x. So a power less than x is 1. A power less than x is constant, and a power less than x square is x.
Oh, so the power. If
I
it's power.
I don't get it.
When you divide, you can be left with an x. No. When you divide with x plus 1, you're only left with a constant. But when you divide with x square plus 1, you're left with an x, right? So first I first substitute 1. I get 1 plus 9 is equal to c plus d. Then I substitute minus 1. I got minus 1 plus 9 is equal to minus c plus d.
Wait, what does the c plus d represent? That's c is remainder. And then what does the d represent?
I feel confused.
So the remainder is x plus 9. Divide and see, you'll get the remainder as x plus 9. I mean, of course, it'll be a nasty division.
Oh, because it's x squared.
Because it's second degree, remainder is of first degree.
I don't get it. Can you explain?
The last one, we don't know that the variable is 1. We're just using that as a placeholder to get the remainder. But with the x squared, if it was a different number, it would be squared. So to the second degree, which means we can't do the same strategy because another x would be left over. And if x is something different than 1, then your remainder is wrong. Because the x would still be over after dividing.
Oh, x is supposed to be anything.
Yeah, the 1 was just our assumption, and that works when it's a regular.
But then why did you do cx plus d?
So instead, yeah, the d is just the 9, and they made it. And the d just makes it more confusing. I'm gonna be honest here, in my opinion. But yeah, the x plus 9. Think about it that way. That makes sense.
I don't get it. I seriously don't get it. I get why you did something else, but I still don't get it.
Yeah, you said you like x squared to whatever to the times 19999 and
I don't get it. Okay, why did you do cx plus d?
yeah, the c plus d kind of makes it confusing, but
I know that it's because x now. I know now that x can't x like it's supposed to be anything, but anything but yeah, I don't.
I think the d represents like the 9 in the problem or something. I don't know for sure. What does the d represent?
See here. When you divide by x square minus 1, the remainder is a linear polynomial, right? I mean, has degree 1, right? Because when you divide by x square, you keep knocking off, and who's the last fellow whom you knock off? The last fellow whom you knock off is x square, right? After x square, who is possible? X is possible, and 1 is also possible. I mean, constant is also possible. But when you divide by x plus 1, who's the last fellow you knock off? X. After you knock off x, who is left?
The 9.
Only constant. So if it's a linear thing, if the divisor is linear, you're left with a constant. But if the divisor is quadratic, you can be left with
A variable.
I don't get what. I don't get.
No.
Relax.
Get the logic.
With it, see, if you're dividing by x, you're knocking off x square, you're knocking off x. See, you're dividing x power 9 by x. You knock off x power 9, you knock off x power 8, you knock off x power 7, knock off x power 6, knock off x square, then you knock off x. If you divide by x plus 1, the last fellow to be knocked off is
X.
X. Then what are you left with?
That 9.
A constant, right? Your remainder is a constant. But
Yeah.
if you divide by x square plus 1, the last fellow to be knocked off would be
I don't know.
x square.
Oh yeah, because you're doing it. Yeah, yeah.
And after you knock off x square, is the survivor going to be only constant? The survivor can also be a variable with degree 1. I mean, so it's a polynomial with degree 1. What's a
What is
polynomial with degree
polynomial?
1? Any cx plus d. What is c? Some coefficient of x. What is d? The constant. Now we are hunting for the c and the d. How are we hunting for the c and the d? By putting 1 and by putting minus 1, I'm getting 2 equations. I need to find 2 variables.
I still don't get it. What? Okay, what does a degree 1 polynomial mean?
Degree
That
1
means that-
polynomial means highest power is 1.
Yeah. It's just the powers. And degree 2 would
Oh,
be
its highest powers itself.
Yeah.
degree 20 would be
So see,
20.
with it. Somehow you know that the remainder is cx plus d. You have to find c and d. So if you put x equal to 1, you're getting one equation, right?
Yeah.
This whole thing goes 0 for 1. For minus 1 also, this guy goes 0. So 1 is equal to c plus d, and minus 1 plus 9 equal to c plus d, and minus 1 plus 9 is minus c plus d. I substitute x equal to 1, I get one equation. I substitute x equal to minus 1, I get one more equation.
But they're both saying C, and they're both still giving the same value for C and D.
Right.
One gives it and one confirms it. Okay, now I'm really starting to think that now I'm really starting to wonder how far people can think.
We have a big brain. It's about using the brain, not having the brain. Everyone has the big brain. The people who are called big brain mean they use their big brain. To earn the title of a big brain, you need to use all of the big brain.
A brain is the one thing that, when unused, would be silverless. No.
Hello?
Yeah.
You know, Chinmai, I feel bad. We all forgot about Chinmai.
I'm right here.
He's
Okay.
sitting in the
Like there's
All of you, last time nobody sent the voice note. If someone doesn't send the voice note, you'll not have the class next class.
Wait, we were supposed to send a voice note? I thought we were just supposed to do the slide, the sheet.
I did a voice note.
Vidit was the only one who did it.
Wait, we were supposed to send a voice note last
Yeah.
class?
Voice note with your reflections of what you understand what a reflection is, right?
Yeah, what we learned today in class. We need to say what
Not
our
just
thoughts-
not a recall, but a reflection. So send your reflection of the class on the WhatsApp group. The one who
we're supposed
doesn't send a reflection will not have a class on Wednesday. Okay?
We're supposed to send a voice note every time?
Yeah, every day.
Oh, I didn't know that. Sorry.
Okay, great. Yeah, Abhi, Chinmay, Vidit, please send your reflections. Okay?
Okay.
Practice.
Yeah, Chinmay.
Okay.
Yeah, Vidit, your reflection was good. Abhi, your reflection was very good last time. So do send your reflections, all of you.
I'll send the reflection today.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'll send the reflection today.
Yeah.
He wanted to see.
Abhi, just ask your father if Laiba ma'am spoke to him or not regarding your sister's class. If she didn't speak, please ask him to leave a message to me on WhatsApp.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah. Thanks. Send your voice notes. We'll meet again as usual on Wednesday evening. I mean your Wednesday evening and my Thursday morning.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice
Bye.
Celebrate.
Yeah. Happy Sunday.